Today we'll be learning a useful technique by which you can find some of the top performing content against a particular important keyword from your list of competitors by using custom search engine from Google. Let us first understand what is a custom search engine. So basically Google offers a programmable customized search engine that uses the same search engine parameters and the ranking factors which is being used by the main search engine. However, you can customize up to your needs and specifications, which can allow you to customize it based on your needs. So today we'll be utilizing this and understand how you can reverse engineer the Google's relevancy tactic for identifying important and valued content and important landing pages against some series of important keywords for your niche. Come, let us find out. So the first step is you need to make a list of keywords for your website that you actually rank on the 2nd to the 5th page or from the 11th to the 50th position. So in our case, we have taken the keywords which are ranking on the 2nd page for the website incrediware.com, and here are some of the keywords like knee sleeve braces for neuropathy, arm pain for wrap, shin sleeves, excuse few pronunciation like knee pain sleeve braces for neuropathy, arm wrap for pain, and shin sleeves. Okay, now step 2 is get all the top ranking competitors for the same. So as you can see, I have found few of the competitors just by searching on the Google. Step 3, you need to go to programmablesearchengine.google.com, and after that you will see a box, as you can see, and you just need to add all the competitors here. So what to search is the box, and you just need to enter all of the competitors that you have just found, and you can add as much as competitors as you would like. After that you can create, and then there will be a preview, so feel free to play with the preview section if you'd like to. However, after that you would see your newly created search engine will appear somewhat, which will be looking like this. And as you can see, now we have entered the one of the keyword as arm wrap for pain, and this will reflect some of the top performing content or the landing pages which it ranks for. Now the step 9 is that the top 3 to 5 content pieces are actually the pages which is nailing the relevancy metric, which is why Google ranks them in the top, and this would be a good idea for you to create your targeted landing page based on the model of these pages. Now our main conclusion is that this is one of the best way which can help us to create a content model that can nail Google's relevancy algorithm and also can imitate the content ranking in Google search results for a given search query. However, this is one of the another essential technique by which you can also make additional landing pages or click funnels, and you can try and understand which pages performs better. Thanks for watching.